In this Circuits of the Past video, we'll show you the Suriname Motorsport Park in bird's eye view by drone. Herman visited this track previously in 2023 together with his girlfriend, who's originally from Suriname. You can watch that exploration video from the first visit straight after this one. Herman, his full name is Herman Liesemeijer, is the founder of this YouTube channel and also the website circuitsofthepast.com. My name's Simon Smith and I voice over the videos, and I have my own YouTube channel called Higher Plan Games. On his second visit to Suriname Motorsport Park, Herman took his drone with him to show the track from a new perspective. We'll now do a full flight over the drag strip while I tell you a little bit more about the track. The Suriname Motorsport Park, often abbreviated to SMP, is a racetrack in the Para district of Suriname. The track is 1 kilometer long and 18 meters wide and suitable for organised drag races. The track was opened in May of 2013 and it's the first and only official racetrack in Suriname. The owner of Suriname Motorsport Park is Motosur, in full the foundation of the Promotion of Motorsport in Suriname. Motosur was founded in the 2nd of November 2006 and has since organised competitions in various places around the country. From June 2010, Motosur was part of the working group for the promotion of motorsport in Suriname, which was set up by Minister Santoki of Justice and Police. The committee's aim was to find a cross-country terrain to prevent illegal racing from taking place on public roads. In May 2013, Motosur opened Suriname's first official racetrack, the Suriname Motorsport Park in Para. During the opening, the goal was stated to eventually expand the number of racetracks in Suriname up to 7. But unfortunately, not even a second race facility was actually realised in Suriname after the opening of SMP. The track may look abandoned in some places, but this is still an operational racetrack. So here we are at the very end of the drag strip. And here's a sand trap that the dragsters get stuck in when they don't stop in time. Now we turn the drone around and fly back over the drag strip in the opposite direction. On our right hand side, we'll see the return lane. This is the road that brings the dragsters back to the paddock area after their run. While we enjoy the drone footage of the SMP, we'll do a short shout out to our Patreon supporters. If you want to help out Herman show historic and special motorsport locations around the world, register at patreon.com/Circuits of the Past. In exchange for your support, you get access to special content. You can also subscribe to the YouTube membership program for special content too. Whichever support program you join, Herman is always grateful for every contribution, so thank you. The lovely lady you see right before you is Herman's girlfriend. She filmed Herman during the drone flight for a making of video. I just told you about that special content. Well, this making of video will be exclusive to the supporters on Patreon and the YouTube membership programme. You might think that this is the end of the video, but nothing could be further from the truth. We're now going to climb the drone to the height of 120 metres to have a gazing look over the Suriname Motorsport Park and its surroundings. As you can see, Suriname is a wooded country. It's even the most forested country in the world. The public road you see is the Afobaka Road. Together with the Martin Luther King Road, it's the most important connecting route in the southern part of the country, and it connects up to the international airport. While we return the drone back down to Earth, we'd like to thank you for watching this drone flight over the Suriname Motorsport Park. If you enjoyed it, give this video a like and please subscribe for more videos from interesting motorsport locations. Click on that bell icon so that you don't miss out on the next videos too. There's also a website, www.circuitsofthepast.com. There you can download a free ebook about 7 abandoned racetracks that you can visit legally. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.